Classroom vocabulary.
Blackboard, blackboard. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Chalk, chalk.
Marker, marker. Eraser, eraser.
Desk, desk. Chair, chair.
Pencil, pencil.
Pen, pen.
Notebook, notebook. Book, book. Ruler, ruler. Sharpener, sharpener. Crayon, crayon.
Glue, glue.
Scissors, scissors. Paper, paper. Folder, folder. Backpack, backpack. Highlighter, highlighter.
Stapler, stapler. Tape, tape.
Projector, projector. Screen, screen. Computer, computer.
Tablet, tablet. Clock, clock. Map, map. Globe, globe. Dictionary, dictionary.
Worksheet, worksheet. Calculator, calculator. Bulletin board, bulletin board. Whiteboard cleaner, whiteboard cleaner. Flashcards, flashcards. Calendar, calendar. Homework, homework. Assignment, assignment.
Test, test. Quiz, quiz.
Lesson, lesson.
Subject, subject. Teacher, teacher. Student, student.
Classmates, classmates.
Classroom, classroom.
School bag, school bag. Attendance sheet, attendance sheet. School bell, school bell.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe to our channel.